Glam bag for the month of October. This is the one that I paid for myself, and this month I remembered to pick my choice. So I already see my little choice peeking in through the corner, but let's go ahead and start with the bag. Of course, it is Halloween themed, and I am a Halloween girly. I love Christmas, but I also love Halloween. I am a Libra. This is my month. Ugh. Love this month. But this is super cute. It has little snakes with eyes, and even the little buckle here, what is it called? Not buckle, zipper, even has a eye as well. Really cute. But let's go ahead and show you guys what my choice was, and it's this right here. It is the e.l.f. Skin Stick It to Zits. So there's 36 hydrocolloid, I'm hoping I'm saying that right, pimple patches. I went ahead and picked this up because I don't know if you guys can tell, even right now I'm breaking out again. Perimenopause came around to just mess with my skin, so I thought that this would be very useful for my skin right now, and I've really been loving pimple patches. And these are nice and clear, so I was like, easy pick, let me add that. And then let's see what else I got. Then I see that it says work your magic. This is inside the bag. We have, what's it called? Little previews for next month. We have the They're Real Lengthening Mascara, which is one that I really enjoy from Benefit. We have the Estate Cosmetics 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and then we have a tiny Tarte creaseless creamy concealer. So these are little preview sneak peeks for next month. But the e.l.f. is full size and it's worth $9. And then next I see a big chunky pen in here. I'm gonna be giving this away. This is a jumbo liquid liner. If you guys have been watching me for a hot minute, I do not like felt tips, and then I don't like really chunky felt tips. So this one is like one of those big fat markers, and this is by the brand Koki. This is $9 in full size. I will be sending this to my goddaughter just because I know she will appreciate this more than I do. I prefer, let me show you guys. I prefer either the MAC one that is like these bristles like that, or even the Ipsy Glam one. Let me show you, where are you? Okay, I found the other one from Ipsy Glam. Look how tiny that is. This is also bristles, but really tiny. Oh my God, I have had to stop filming quite a few times because I just keep sneezing. But I like this type of liner just because I do have a smaller eyelid and I do appreciate that more. So I will be giving this to my goddaughter. I also got, what's in here? What's this tiny little thing? This is the Dr. Brandt No Baggage Eye Gel. This is a little too drying for my under eyes. I actually have the full size and gave it to my mom because I just feel like it's too drying. I have really dry under eyes. So any recommendations for primers under the eyes, eye creams, whatever helps you. If you have really dry under eyes, let me know what your favorite concealers are. I usually try to write it down or add it to my cart. But this is too dry for me, so I will be giving that away as well. And that is a mini size. The full size is $48. Next we have by Ofra, we have a lip liner in this shade Mauve. It's weird because it doesn't look like a mauve shade. It looks like a brown shade. And this is full size and $13. It's supposed to be a dusty rose pencil, but mine does not. The shade on the outside does not match that color. So let's go ahead and see. Yeah, to me this, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. To me this is more of like a caramelly color. Let me show you guys what like a mauve pink to me is. Like a mauve pink to me is more like Soar. I guess maybe they're similar. I guess Soar is a little bit more pinky tone, but I will be keeping this and using it. I like more of the sharpened pencils than the like the old school MAC pencils like this where you sharpen it, than the ones that have like this, like the retractable ones, I feel like they dry out faster, and a lot of times they are hard because you can't sharpen them, or they dry out and then the whole thing falls out, which is why I stopped buying the ColourPop ones for both eyeliner and lip liners. So I do prefer these pencils. And last we have a perfume. So this is the Kinsey Not So Vanilla Parfum. This is, I don't know how much this is, but the full size is $55. It says it has juicy berries, crisp apple, and smooth vanilla. I love travel size perfumes and little mini size perfumes. So I am happy with this. Oh, this is so nice. It is very juicy. Yeah, I can really pick up on the berries, the apple, and it has like a little bit of that smooth vanilla in there. Really, really nice. Really nice. This is a very nice, fruity, sweet scent. Love, happy that this came in. So overall, I'm happy with this month's bag. Even with giving away 2 of my products, I'm happy. Like 3 out of 5 is a good bag for me. And I don't mind like sometimes sharing the wealth with family or friends. So yeah, this month was a good. Let me know what your choice was, what your picks are. Are you excited for the little sneak peeks for next month? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everyone who watches, who comments, who likes. It really helps support my channel and keeps me motivated to keep filming for you guys. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.